English Short Conversations. Learn short English conversations with pictures. In this tutorial, you will learn how to form correct sentences, how to use simple sentences in a conversation, and how to improve your overall English speaking. Welcome to my channel Quick English by Neil Sir, a channel with stories, grammar, and vocabulary learning videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Did y'all enjoy the party?
Oh yes. The party was so much fun. Can we take a selfie together?
Sure, I love taking selfies.
Finally we won the match.
Yes, because we played as a team.
Can we go shopping now?
Not now, I am busy with some other work. Do y'all like to play with water balloons?
Yes, it is so much fun to play with water balloons during Holi.
How many of us will be attending the office meeting?
Right now just the four of us. Is photography your hobby or profession?
It used to be my hobby earlier, now it's become my profession. What are you typing on your laptop?
I am typing an important letter to my client.
Did you just cheat on me?
No, she was just a friend of mine.
Why are they showing us a thumbs up?
Because they received an award for the best team of the year. Is that your pet dog?
Yes. I love my dog very much. Are you typing something?
Yes. I am making a presentation for tomorrow's meeting. Are you two best friends?
Absolutely, we've been good friends for a year now.
Would you like to come with me for dinner tomorrow?
Sure, I am free tomorrow evening. I don't think so, I'm sorry, I have work to complete.
Is he your boyfriend?
Yes, we've been dating since 2 years.
I wanted to say, I love you.
I love you too.
Where are you taking your dog?
I am taking him for the dog show. Is this your family?
Yes, that's my wife and kids. Coffee seems to be your favorite.
I don't like coffee. I prefer having green tea.
Can you buy me a packet of buns from the store?
I am not going to the store now. Sure, I will. Do you need anything else? You look so comfortable on the bean bag.
It is really soft and comfortable to sit on it and work.
This kitten is very cute.
I just bought it 2 days ago. Are you married?
Yes, I am married. No, I am single. I am engaged. I am in a relationship. From where did you buy this cake?
I bought it from a famous cake shop.
Can we order a pizza for lunch?
That's a great idea. I love eating at McDonald's.
It's my favorite place as well.